In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add background music to your Canva presentation just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just go to your Canva presentation like this, to your home page on Canva. So for example, I just created this Canva presentation and I want to add a background music to this Canva presentation. So it's really super easy. So what you need to do, just click over here on upload file like this, and you should upload a background music from your laptop. Okay, so let me search for some background music from my laptop. So you just need to choose the background music from your laptop. For example, let's check this background music. So okay, so this one looks really good. So for example, I want to add this background music to my Canva presentation. Click over here on open, just choose the background music from your laptop, and here you go. So your background music will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. So click on your background music, and here you go. Your background music will be under your Canva presentation. Okay, it's super easy. So let's check right now. So let me see. It's really easy, guys, and it's super easy to add a background music to your Canva presentation. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can also find a background music on Canva without download this background music from your laptop. And here you go. Okay, if you want to add background music from Canva, so what you need to do first, just go to this bar over here and scroll down. So you should see over here audio. Okay, click on this audio icon like this, and it's gonna take you to this bar again, to this page over here. So you can search for the background music that you want to add. Let's search for examples for some happy background music like this. So I will search for happy, and here you go. You will find a lot of background music that you can add from Canva. Okay, I can delete this one, double click on this background music and click on delete track. Okay, and click over here on the first page, then choose which background music you want to add. Let me see. So for example, you want to add this one, just click on the background music, and here you go. Your background music will be under your Canva presentation again like this. Okay, and after you finish, click on share and click over here on download, and this Canva presentation with background music will be downloaded to your laptop. It's super easy. That's how we can add a background music to your Canva presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.